I finished painting the pit section and everything here, and I think it looks pretty good. I really like the overall feel of it, and it really suits this track here. I've also installed all of the lights, and all of these gates here of the garage doors actually open, so you can watch inside. So I just need to add some scenery and characters in there. So the gates can also be closed, of course. And I have started using some of the models I designed a while ago. We have 3 of them right here. I'm of course also going to hide that wire in there. I also got the light bridge connected. So right now we have light coming down from it, and I have prepared the connection for these down under the track, but I need to connect them to my Arduino, and I haven't done that yet. I need to make an extension wire. So that will just wait another day. I have also made sure that the podium over here has light. I think this looks pretty cool. It is a bit more cozy light. It's a warmer light, where the pit section over here has a really bright light. And I might have to change this because, as you can see here on the video, it looks a bit off that this is more warm and this is a cold light. And I'm probably going for a cold light over here too, because I know this VIP building, Marshall Tower here, also has the cold light as the pit garage. So I'm going to connect this up tomorrow together with the starting lights down here. But I got all of this connected, lots of wires down there below the track, but everything works, so I'm very happy right now. Hope you all enjoyed and that you like what I've done so far. Can't wait to populate this area and give it a bit more life and create some scenery around it. So thank you all for watching, and have happy racing, everyone.